Welcome to ZZZ TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe to this channel and press like. When you
Welcome our
subscribe, you'll be
President
able to get notifications each time we post.
Continue
Okay?
with
We
our
love you
rally
guys.
and ignore the killers. They will pay their price because they have committed heinous crime that is not prescribed by any faith or any believer in the work of Allah and in the teaching of Holy Quran. Therefore, we continue today. We summon our courage, and I salute and condole all of you here. We share the joy. We participate in the money. We share the sorrow, the pain that you go through. But only Allah can soothe the pain of many orphans and many widows they created. We will promise one thing and many more, that they will not win. The wicked shall perish. We will deal with them. We will definitely deal with them. No way they will go scot-free. No way. Time is coming, and we promise you, the children of those who are left as orphans, the wives of the widow or widower, will be catered for. Those who, our men and women in uniform, who sacrificed their efforts at saving lives, we will not forget any of you. This is your government, and this government will definitely continue to pursue crime with determination, courage, and perseverance. We are the people who want peace and progress for the country. It's a progressive party that the 16 years of those poverty development party